Are you looking for the best Showerheads? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best Showerheads on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall. Of all the options we tested, the Waterpik High Pressure Dual Showerhead is our top pick because it proves that you don't have to spend a fortune on a showerhead to get an intense, luxurious shower experience. This dual-function showerhead offers the benefits of both a fixed and handheld showerhead, giving you more range and flexibility. After 6 months of using it, we're happy that all the features continue to work well with no leakage or changes in overall performance. The showerhead has 12 different spray settings, 9 on the fixed head and 3 on the wand, with adjustable flow rates, including full, massage, mist, soft, and vigorous. We especially love the massage setting, which provides a high-pressure stream for ultimate relaxation. The installation instructions are easy to follow, so it took us less than 5 minutes to remove and replace our old showerhead. The handheld wand is one of our favorite features, and it has ample hose length to maneuver comfortably. Diameter, 5 inches. Material, stainless steel, plastic. Flow rate, 1.8 gallons per minute. Spray patterns, 12, including mist, massage, and full. Water sense label, yes. Number 2. Best 2-in-1. Shelling out extra cash for a quality, sleek showerhead can be a great way to upgrade your daily routine. While the Delta Hydro Rain 2-in-1 showerhead doesn't come cheap, after putting this showerhead to the test, we think its dual design, variety of settings, and high-quality construction justify its price tag. We love the 2-in-1 design, which features both a fixed and handheld shower for added convenience. Installing this showerhead is incredibly easy and takes less than 2 minutes. The directions are helpful, and no tools are needed. The handheld wand is a bit tricky to detach, as it clips in very securely, but we think it could loosen slightly over time. We appreciate that the sturdy clip means you don't have to worry about the wand falling off the holder. Shelling out extra cash for a quality, sleek showerhead can be a great way to upgrade your daily routine. While the Delta Hydro Rain 2-in-1 showerhead doesn't come cheap, after putting this showerhead to the test, we think its dual design, variety of settings, and high-quality construction justify its price tag. The handheld wand is a bit tricky to detach, as it clips in very securely, but we think it could loosen slightly over time. We appreciate that the sturdy clip means you don't have to worry about the wand falling off the holder. Number 3. Best handheld. Handheld showerheads allow you to direct water flow exactly where you want it. This Moen handheld showerhead features a magnetic docking system, making it extremely simple to attach and detach from the wall. We really love how convenient this mechanism is. It feels much more secure than a traditional clip. The wand feels very lightweight, making it easy to use for longer periods. Even after rinsing 2 kids in a long bath, our tester's arm never got tired. While the hose could be a little longer, it still gets the job done. The spray area isn't particularly wide on this showerhead, which can be an issue for those who prefer more of a rainfall effect. However, with 6 different spray patterns, it's still highly effective and customizable to different pressure preferences. Diameter, 3.5 inches. Material, nickel, metal. Flow rate, 1.75 gallons per minute. Spray patterns, 6, including rinse, massage, and wide coverage. Number 4. Best budget. Range showerheads may seem like a luxury, but you can add one to your shower without spending a fortune. This high-pressure SparkPod showerhead has a classic rainfall design. A wide, flat head recreates the experience of getting caught in a warm and pleasant rainstorm. It provides full body coverage with no gaps in the water stream. While this showerhead doesn't include any additional water flow settings, it's still a great option for those who don't need all the bells and whistles of more feature-packed models. The water pressure is still impressive after 3 months of use. The dark bronze color we opted for also shows minimal water spots, which is a win in our book. It's also simple to adjust the position of the showerhead. It swivels on its base to angle the spray higher and further or lower, as needed. Diameter, 6 inches. Material, ABS plastic. Flow rate, 1.8 gallons per minute. Spray patterns, rainwater. Sense label, no. Number 5. Best high pressure. The water pressure on both the showerhead and its handheld counterpart is strong, so we haven't had any issues fully rinsing shampoo from our hair. The additional knob on this showerhead's control panel also makes it seamless to switch between using one of the fixtures solo or at the same time. We're pleasantly surprised by this showerhead's water pressure, especially given its larger size and complex installation. While not every household will be in the market to change their entire shower fixture setup, this is a great contender for anyone who is already completing major bathroom renovations and wants to modernize their shower aesthetic. Diameter, 8, 10, 12, or 16 inches. Material, brass, 304. Stainless steel. Mount type, wall mount. Flow rate, 1.75 gallons per minute. Spray patterns, 1 water. Sense label, yes. Once the showerhead and its coordinating handheld nozzle are installed, you'll enjoy the wide, overhead coverage that it creates. Its 16-inch arm centers the water spray in our shower stall, which we love. Number 6. Best with filter. After using the filtered canopy handheld showerhead for a few weeks, we immediately noticed a difference in the softness of our skin and hair, earning our title of the best filtered showerhead we've tested. Despite the heavy filter inside the showerhead, the water flow on this pick is incredible. It effectively rinses our scalp without leaving residue behind. The filter is specifically designed for areas with hard water, proving to be better for your skin and hair after being filtered. Setting up this showerhead is extremely easy. It comes with a wrench and plumber's tape, which we didn't end up needing. Just be aware that the filter makes this handheld showerhead rather heavy, so you have to be careful when taking it out and putting it back in the holder. Even though buying and replacing a filtered showerhead can be annoying, it's worth it for the softest our skin and hair have ever felt. You can immediately feel the difference, preventing us from ever using our hard water on its own again. Diameter, 3 inches. Material, not listed. Mount type, wall mount. Flow rate, 1.8 gallons per minute. Spray patterns, 1.